Hi everybody! So I realized when editing this video that I didn't actually do any talking in between to kind of explain what was going on. So there'll probably be a lot of text. I apologize. But it is what it is. And yeah, you know how you get in those modes and you're just creating and you got all these ideas, and then you've got, I had other artists come in from FernTale. They're another like digital artist painter. We've done collabs earlier in the year, and so it was kind of cool to get to work with them again. And anyways, we both just were in this whirlwind of creating and things like that. So by the time everything calmed down a little bit, enough for me to be able to like edit this video and stuff, I realized that I had forgotten, explanations for what exactly was going on. So yeah, like I said, there'll be text kind of explaining the different parts of the process and the different things I was doing. And then really quick as a reminder, I am working on a Snow Queen collection based off of Hans Christian Andersen's The Snow Queen, which is a fairy tale. And yeah, so we've just been making a lot of pottery for that collection. I hope you guys enjoy. It's just kind of a studio vlog that shows parts of the process for working on the Snow Queen collection. And rest assured, I will do like a big video at the end of the month, possibly the first week of November, depending on when I get the collection done. That kind of shows every little bits of the process like I normally do. I know my viewers really enjoy watching those videos, so I do plan on doing that. And then next week after, I'm planning on doing a Raku video, so that'll be fun, and I'm getting all set up for that as well. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it.